Who is going to the next chief minister of Delhi? One man, the name of a man is raised up many times from different area. Only one prominent man whose name is highly appreciable, highly appreciated by many people. It's BJP and as well as in general people. Who is the man? His father was at a time in Delhi chief minister. The name of this man is Parvez Burma. Everybody you know. Parvez Burma, who are long standing with BJP for 3 decades. Not only he, but also his whole family involved with BJP working and also as well as RSS working. And this Parvez Burma, 47 years old BJP politician, his father was Sahib Singh Burma, who was at a time the chief minister of Delhi. Now is going to the next chief minister of 2025 after winning the BJP election of Delhi. So, this Parvez Burma, who won the election, Lok Sabha election in 2014 in Delhi Lok Sabha. And after that 2019, he also win the election, but that was a record margin. He win 8 lakh margin. That was the record in Indian history. He won the election, Lok Sabha election from Delhi Lok Sabha seat, that is 2019. So Parvez Burma, he have a one brother and 3 sisters. Everybody involved in BJP politics and also RSS. So his uncle was a mayor of North Delhi for served as a North Delhi as a mayor. So that's the Parvez Burma, who born in 1977. He was completed his uh, 10 and 12 class from Delhi Public School. After that, he completed his MA, Ford School of Management. Uh, the Parvez Burma, he won in this assembly election of Delhi, he won 4,089 seat and defeated to AAP leader, AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal. This was the highly appreciated and highly appreciable to Parvez Burma. That is actually Delhi is a Delhi people are being highly thinker people are lived in national capital, because in 2013 election it was defeated to the 3 term chief minister Sheila Dixit, and this time Arvind Kejriwal, 3 term chief minister, defeated by a normal man, that is Parvez Burma. So that's why Parvez Burma's level is highly appreciable, highly appreciated by the political leader of BJP as well as by the general people. And general people also want to Parvez Burma to see the next chief minister of Delhi 2025 after winning the election. So, actually, during the election, he visit many area. He visit Jhopri, many Jhopri. Here, he spoke out. He promised them that after becoming the election, if BJP win, they are must have to free service of water, free electricity. Because according to the Parvez Burma, he spoke out the many area. Actually, Arvind Kejriwal spoke out that every area of Delhi they have and been affiliated and facilitated by the free electricity and free water. But according to the Parvez Burma, he spoke out that every area not be facilitated. Some underprivileged area here not reach out the water, here not reach out the free electricity. So this is the concern of Parvez Burma. And Parvez Burma, he reached out, he consult to the many people, he door to door campaigning during the election by the Parvez Burma it was happened. He also concerned about the Sismahal. He very big concern that Arvind Kejriwal set up or established a Sismahal, which is the for CM. So if Parvez Burma will become the chief minister of Delhi, is he will go and leave the Sismahal or not? In this context, he raised concern. He spoke out the another CM should not be reached out or live or accommodated with Sismahal, because Sismahal is a highly mountaining lavish building that's not perfect for any CM, because every CM he or she nexus with the general people. So Sis Mahal is not be favored with any CM raised concern by the Parvez Burma. So in Delhi, people of Delhi, they waiting for the CM of Parvez Verma. When he will get the oath taking ceremony will be happen in Parvez Verma. The people of Delhi are being waiting for that.